Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to turn the flashlight on or off on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's have a look. Method 1. You can use quick settings panel to turn on or off flashlight on Google Pixel. Simply swipe down from top of the screen of your Pixel phone, then tap torch icon flashlight button to turn the flashlight on. The torch icon turns light yellow when the flashlight is turned on. Tap the torch icon again to turn off the flashlight. Method 2. You can use quick tap to turn on or off flashlight on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Tap back of your phone twice to turn on flashlight. Again, double tap on back of your phone to turn off flashlight. To set up this quick tap, first you need to open Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and tap System, then tap Gestures. Tap Quick Tap to start action. Turn on Use Quick Tap. Then scroll down and select Flashlight. That's it. By double tapping on back of your phone to turn on flashlight, again double tap on back of your Pixel phone to turn off flashlight. When flashlight is on from home screen or lock screen, you can turn off flashlight using flashlight widgets. Simply tap to turn off. So these are the steps to turn on or off the flashlight on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.